afternoon all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, January 29th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. Well, I'll tell you what, I did not expect this. I didn't get hurt. Lost on my last couple of trades, but still had a pretty good day. My logic behind today was the market's pretty long in the longer time frame and the intermediate time frame. So I thought, if anything, the danger to the downside would be more. So I thought if we tried to go trend down, maybe it would hold. Guess what? That failed. 0 for 12 trend days down. So I said, I don't think we would go trend up and hold it. Boy, oh boy, was I wrong. So 3 out of 15 trend days up have held. Excuse me. We take out both sides of the IB for the 10th time in 19 trading days this year. That's amazing. We do end up with overlap into higher value. Righty goes out with a price probe, an afternoon pullback in H, and a double distribution day with single prints in L, K, and J. They did break out of this 5-day balance. So again, you can call it up, or see if they take out today's high tomorrow to, we know how righty is a lot of times. But for now, you can say righty's up if you'd like, coming out of a 5-day balance. And they have an outside day up. They took out yesterday's low, Friday's low, and closed way above Friday's high. Look at this, where they closed at the high of the day. So very impressive for righty. NQ goes out, back into balance. They took out Friday's high. They go out with a double distribution day, 3 sets of single prints, and an afternoon pullback. We go out, the NQ, the Dow Jones, and the SPX hit all-time highs again. We go out with a triple distribution day with 2 sets of single prints in L and J. Afternoon pullback in G and H, which were the same week low. And more even fascinating, we have a poor low on the day and a poor high at the all-time high. So it really is amazing how they stretch this and push this. Again, I had a good day early on. I took my first trade of the day. I shorted A period in ES against the overnight high. They got it right away. It came back. I took it off for break even on that one. NQ, though, I was taking longs in A period because the ebb and flow above the opening were pretty good. So I did well on those longs. And then in ES, I got long in B period against the opening and the 144 and did well on that. C period, I won one, lost one on shorts in NQ. Against the, I thought we'd get the IB low, didn't happen, but ended up breaking even on those. And in D period, same thing. I made money on the short when they took out the low, but then lost money on one when it came back up. I thought it would stay below the opening in the 144, so broke even on those. So spun my wheels a bit there, but I was still up in A and B. Then in F period, in both NQ and ES, I shorted because, like I said, I did not think we would go trend and hold it. And we didn't at that time. We did not. So I did well on those shorts in F and ES and NQ. But then later in the day in NQ, I shorted an H period. Was it H? I don't know. Let me see. I thought I took a short. I said, I'm trying to read my writing. I wrote down I took a short to stop the one-time framing up, but we did do that. So I did not lose on that one. I don't know why I wrote a loss. I took I know why. Because it hadn't stopped it yet and it pushed up and I took it off for a loss and then it came down and took out G's low. So I did lose on that one. I didn't get back in. And then in K period, I didn't think we'd hold singles. That started going high. I took that off for a loss. So wishy-washy day, did end up green. Nothing great though. But again, I thought logic would dictate that maybe we don't go trend because the market's long. Shows you what trying to put logic into this market does. As far as our destinations, 491.42, today's all-time high in SPY, And then we have two sets of single prints, 490.37 to 489.11. Second one is 488.70 to 59. Afternoon pullback low of 487.84. And today's low, which is poor, also in SPY at 487.17. The high is not poor in SPY though. NES, the high is 56. All-time high, poor high. And then our lows are our single prints. They start at 45 to 32.75, 28.75 to 27.50 the second set. 19.75 is our afternoon pullback low, and today's low, which is poor, of 12.75. And then on the chart, so the monthly is up, one time framing up for 3 months, very healthy. Weekly, one time framing up for 4 weeks, all-time high, very healthy. And the daily, remember, even though I called it up to balance, we're one time framing up 8 days. Inside days do not stop that. So finally we got distance away. Volume stinks, but we did get distance away as we continue to one time frame up. Hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.